You're gonna be surprised.
Luis in the house, man. Oh, shit. A little cafe?
Look at you guys. Look.
Oh, man. We didn't even start working yet. We didn't even start. Yo, Lou.
What can I get you? An espresso?
Yeah, espresso.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, Lou, we got up this morning at 1:30 p.m.
At 1:30 p.m.
Yeah, I felt like 10 a.m. So I called the deli. I'm like, yo, I wanted to get some egg sandwiches. I'm calling him saying, hey, Gary, you want an egg sandwich with me? Because I'm hungry. He's like, yeah, sure. Whatever you get, I'll get. So I call up the deli. Ring after ring after ring. I hang up. Call again. Ring after ring after ring. I'm like, what the fuck? I leave my house. I walk over there. They're closed. Why? Because it's 1:30 p.m. or what? They're only there open in the morning for breakfast, and that's it on Sundays. But anyways, we came here. We had a huge freaking meal. A little Santa Cafe, yeah. And we haven't.
Before I came, you know.
A little. Oh, we have. We polished off the bottle here. What we got here? This is good wine.
Moved on the other side, but.
Oh, right here. Dodo. Right. This is where my parents come from, right here. But bro, we gotta fire up this Dale Earnhardt Low C Chrome 5T, bro, for the past 2 years.
All done?
Yeah. Oh, dude, I'll never do that again.
Let me see what you got in what I got in my car.
I'll never do that rap again, bro.
It's gonna make him really happy.
Yeah.
Santa Cafe. Look, Daytona 500. Right now, we should be chilling watching this, but we're over here.
We're chilling watching it.
Yeah, we're chilling watching it. But we gotta fire this up, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it for Dale today. Yeah. We gotta do a toast, Lou. You ever go to a place where the owner gives you they leave you a bottle at the table? Yeah, right. Yeah, so Lou, good times, good health.
Good times.
To a great year. And to may Dale Earnhardt rest in peace. Today is the day, you know?
And then he actually had it.
Yeah. Anyways. And to a great RC race season coming ahead.
Nice.
He doesn't take a listen all the time.
I don't know what Lou is talking about, but he said that today is the perfect timing.
Yo. Take care, man.
See you, buddy. Today's the perfect timing, you say?
Perfect timing.
Yeah?
You got something very special.
Wow.
And you're gonna need an axe.
I'm gonna need an axe.
Yeah,
we're gonna bust out the freaking axe.
about that big.
Oh, Santa Cafe. You want me to bust out a katana or something?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. we can bust out probably a machete, maybe. You know. All right, we'll see.
Triple cheese.
Damn. Guys, I'm sorry, but the race is starting. We're still here. So I may have to post this video another time. Oh shit, they're starting, kid. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Look at that.
Touch your shoes.
You guys ready? You guys good?
Yeah, you go ahead.
All right, let's head out. Yo, let's go fire this thing up. We're gonna do it for Dale, kid. We're gonna do it for Dale, Gary. Oh, snap. Oh, damn, bro. She looks sick with a fucking primal dragster tires in that bitch. Yo, bro, you gotta race it like that, man. Oh, man, dude, now,
cool, right?
yo, I want to do a Baja like that, man. Holy shit.
Primal tires on the rim.
You want a stock motor, too?
Yeah,
stock engine?
completely stock.
Wow.
I mean, it's got that cheap exhaust on it.
Yo, you got it. Oh, snap. Oh, preview. Oh, I gotta stop it. This is to be continued right here.
Floor, look, there's a floor.
Yo, Lou.
And it's great.
Yo, this is the first time you ever see the floor in my garage?
See the floor, yeah. Look at that.
He's making room for that monster truck.
Yeah, bro, I gotta make room for that monster truck, you know?
He's got to build in a floor lift. Special gift for John, unboxing. Get an axe. Right?
All right, so we're gonna say this for the end. Lou's got a gift from me, man. I appreciate it.
From the box, you can't tell what it is. You
Oh,
see?
snap.
The bag is just a cover-up.
Uh-huh.
Look, it doesn't. It says E. You can't even look that up. E019.
Wow.
Look that up on the internet. You're gonna find it.
E019. Okay.
E019.
Let's
And
fire
you
up.
guys want another coffee? Yes.
Look who's here.
No, don't go out. The door's open.
Now, we're busting out the maple sugar today, kid. Lou, this is when you know your coffee is good, bro. When the shit floats, kid. When it floats, bro. It didn't float. It didn't float at the restaurant, but it floats over here.
It floats like a body.
Any questions? This is where we left off this morning, right? I was gonna say last night, but it was this morning. All right. I wound up heating it up more with a heat gun afterwards, and I got rid of a lot of the bubbles, but it's still not perfect, you know. So I had a little hard time, like over here, you know. So just take your time when you do a wrap like this. The quality is really good, but I don't have patience for this. We're also gonna see how Tom's job turned out with fuel in it. We will be putting fuel in this fuel tank. All right.
Oh, this came out nice.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Just over here, man. I couldn't get rid of all this, but what are you gonna do? I'll live with it.
This took a lot of work.
Yeah, it was a pain in the ass, man. Isn't that? I had to freaking like stretch it, fold it, peel it off, put it back on, peel it off. What are you gonna do?
I'll go
Really?
get it. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Oh, you want to unbox it now?
It's perfect. It's perfect for this.
Oh, we gotta unbox it then.
It's gotta go like right here.
Really? No kidding.
It's gonna be like.
Oh, I'm excited, bro. So, when the heck are we gonna fire this thing up for Dale?
Well, let's unbox this thing.
Let's unbox it then. All right.
And
let's
then we'll go and we'll fire this up.
All right, you're the boss. Yo, Lou, man, I can't believe it, bro.
And I told your wife what it was.
Really? I
She
gotta call her.
said, "Wow."
Really? No shit. Yo,
She said, "Wow."
bro, when the heck are we ever gonna fire this thing up, man? The race is gonna be over.
Once you get through this,
All right. Check it out. Here, bro.
John, go get your.
Everything is still here from this morning, from last night.
Well, you gotta get the weapon. Here's the weapons. There's weapons right here. You see which one? Weapons in this. Which one I like?
Pick.
Fire department style.
Yep, fire department.
Fire
style.
department.
Ah.
Fire department. Fire department. Bro. Watch. There's a special unboxing there. This gotta make his day. I'm telling you, it's gotta make his day. Even if this, it will make his day.
We should have practiced with we should have practiced that live feed or whatever it is.
We could do that later.
What we got here? What we got here? Yeah. What?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What a day, man.
This is perfect.
Man.
And it could have come next week.
He's
If you're
speechless.
wrong,
Look at that.
I'm a little sad too. Now it really brings back memories of 2001 when my race car driver, my favorite race car driver, passed away, bro. Yo, what are we about to hit? Yo, I love stuff like this, bro.
This is gonna go good. It's gonna go good.
What?
And John don't think that I remember stuff.
Let's see it.
I
Charles Suspense is
had this
killing
in
me.
my house over a month already.
Man, this is serious, bro.
Waiting to come down here.
Oh, let's see some worse face.
I don't even want to take the bubble wrap out, bro.
Pull the
the
bubble
bubble
wrap
wrap.
off. We need
Take
to
the
see a
bubble
little
wrap.
better.
This is figure you could open. It comes off on the time.
This is serious right here. Man, I wonder how old this thing is.
What do we got?
Bro, look at this.
This is a
This is a figure, bro.
Posable figure.
This is the posable one.
Wow.
Maybe take this off over here.
Bro, I didn't want to open this.
But you gotta get a thinner blade. But you don't want to hurt that. He put like a regular. No, he put a what you call it on here. Which used for bread. But see, that's a little different. Hopefully the figure's in good shape. Yeah, it's fine. It must be really original one because look at the age of the box.
Man, look at the age of this, bro.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Let's get a close up of this box.
Look at the age of this thing, man. Yo, listen, I got a ton of cars in my attic, like crazy cars. I have a die-cast card of a crash that he did. He did so many flips, and he still finished the race.
Look, the door opens. Look, he's trying to get out.
Yo, my man was trying to come out, son.
There you go. There he is.
What?
There he is.
My Chevy brother, kid.
There he is.
What?
There he is. There he is.
My man Luke, kid.
Remember when you saw mine? It's, oh,
Yo,
give me one.
forget about Superman, bro. Dale Earnhardt, kid. King Chevy brother right here. Any questions?
Now, whether you pull him out, that's up to
My
you.
man right here
It's
will
an age
bust
lock.
Superman's ass, kid. Will bust that ass.
And it's still collectible, because look, I don't think this thing was ever open.
Damn.
Look, it's not. Look at the factory tape.
Yo, look at the tape in this thing,
I
bro.
didn't know about this.
Yo, this tape is no joke, bro. Look at that.
Look, that's not. That's gotta be an original
That tape's
one.
got some age on it.
That tape is made in USA tape, which is long gone, kid. They're all there. Wait,
Check the bottom, see if it was all open.
long gone, kid.
Same thing. Look,
Wow,
same thing.
wow.
It's up to you. You're the decision if you want to.
Oh, I can't. I'm not gonna open it, bro.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable right here.
Come on, you can open them. You can put them inside the
Yo,
car.
this is serious, bro.
So that makes the decor.
Man,
See?
I would love to take him out today for a ride, bro, but this guy is just too special, bro. No way. Look at this, man.
I'd have to bring mine so you could put it as a crash dome.
Yo,
Mine's been around the block.
I got a lot of subscribers from other countries. Google this man's name and watch his videos. Watch stuff about him. There's so many things about him. You'll understand why this guy's a special dude right here.
You gotta show it to your wife, because I told her she was rude.
I gotta show it to my wife.
Go show it to her, because I told her.
Yeah.
That's all upstairs.
Bro, my wife, bro, you don't understand. I have a ton of die-cast cars of him and his son and Jimmy Johnson as well.
First thing she said, because I know he doesn't have that. I said, good, I'm number
Yeah.
one there. She goes, yeah, you did a really good thing.
I got a piece of his tire. I got a bunch of stuff.
So you have the glove. Show that to the honey, because she's gonna be really. I showed her a picture of mine upstairs.
What you think? You like the body?
Yeah, I really do. Come on, he did a nice job on that.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm happy with it.
Maybe you could do like your friend's car and drop the wing.
Yeah. Yeah. You dropped the wing. I want to send it to what's his name.
And it's only one tier you gotta go down.
Yeah.
But that's what this is.
I don't know. The wing is really. If I put a taller engine, the wing is what's going to protect it. You know, I crash my shit a lot, right?
Yeah. It's gonna protect
So,
the rollover.
yeah. Yo, let me tell you something. That wing has saved my ass more than once, bro. You know that. Fucking complicated shit. You want to just hook up another regular remote to it?
Wait.
Be done with
I
it?
think I might have it. Hang on. That's 3.
Kill switch. Hey, I like the chrome. Good?
It's too much, but I love it.
Yeah, no, it's too much, bro.
I remember when you
I
did the
lost my mind a
video,
little bit. But
when you
fuck it.
this was regular, you had that chrome
Yeah.
and stuff like that. And
Holy shit, even the IRP fucking turnbuckles.
Yes,
These
right
shock
there.
towers. These shock towers are badass to use on a heavy duty 5T or something. These are thick, bro. I have them something. I got them chromed. Chassis brushes.
These are just the other aluminum,
Yeah, I chromed them.
not shiny.
Chromed everything.
But this no, right? This is Bartolome set.
I polished that up. I
This
got
is
it.
polished.
That's Bartolome's chrome. I didn't do that. Yeah, I polished it up with the machine. That's it.
Braided lines. Look at
Yeah, that's very nice. That's it.
Yeah, you did like every little detail in there.
Do I have it in 4 maybe?
If MIP came out with their brakes again, which I gotta look with, if I can change the pads, I'll even chrome the discs, the calipers. We gotta go before it gets dark. It's already 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
We just did over here playing with this. So here. Look at that, life battery, high voltage servo, torque servo, not even a speed servo. My speed servo is this 840 here.
And I approve.
Even Dale Earnhardt approved, kid. That 840 is nice, man. Nice speed. I got the Torquio one up
Keep the
front.
box to protect that box. Look at that sucker. Look at that sucker.
Yo, look, man, that's a nice tie, bro.
Huh?
That's a nice tie you got. you
Nice
wearing.
tie.
Let's head then. Let's head out.
We're ready to go.
Thanks, bro. You got it?
We're going to the garage, right?
Yeah.